If you like cars, you should just overall be excited. It's good stuff. I mean, when I look at a car, I look at it different. Crazy every day. Man, I just love cars. My name is Greg. We're at Auto Group, which is a collision center and auto customization center. I'm the estimator, I'm the owner. I have to make sure everything runs correctly, runs smooth. Writing the estimates on these vehicles are totally different than writing an estimate on a Toyota Camry. When you start working on cars like this, you gotta really know what you're doing. You gotta be really educated. A couple of issues we had with cars that came in from other shops that got prior work done. I'm not gonna say which shop, but mi varken, Elisa, mi varken. Okay, as you can see, this is prior work from another shop. If you want to zoom in over here, this is what happens when you don't do a correct job. You see cracking. This body filler is under a year old. If you look at this door, if you bring the camera to the side, you'll see how wavy the door is. It's not flush. And then if you zoom in right here, you'll see the lines from the sandpaper. That's from using 80 grade on aluminum. You're not supposed to do that. We got damage here. So as we're fixing this, I'm just gonna spot out all the incorrections so the body man knows. Yeah, if you see those lines, these are from sandpaper grade marks. This is 80 grade. And then you have cracking also. And then I put this so the body man knows about the waviness on the panel. We're gonna fix that issue too. You'll see the body filler cracking also from prior work right here. These are all chemical reactions. That's what happens when you use cheap products. You don't take your time to straighten out the metal and you just put a whole bunch of body filler like it's butter. We try to get these cars out of here as fast as possible. First thing customers ask, when will I get my car back? So we got my mobile detail guy, Martin, pulled up. I'm gonna have him wash the Maybach and the Rolls-Royce Ghost. How's it going, brother?
Pretty good, and yourself?
We're filming.
Oh, yeah?
You're gonna be on our YouTube. Cool. So this is Martin. I'm gonna let him introduce himself. If you guys need mobile detail, contact Martin.
So, man, my name is Martin. I'm Greg's car wash guy. If you guys ever need a watch, just hit me up.
Tell me your business name.
You can follow me at My Car Is Dirty on Instagram. So hit us up.
How long you gonna need on this?
Probably like an hour 20.
Hour 20? Okay. Hour 20 to wash a car. That's who you want to hire. Yeah, I like to get the cars out of here right when it gets washed because it is a collision center. We do sand. It gets dusty. So a lot of times people want cheap work. This is what you get. You see all that body filler? Look at all that body filler they put. They don't take time fixing the metal. They just put body filler so it sits flush with the door. And that's why you're getting the cracking. This is all body filler. 2 inches of body filler everywhere. Cheap work, cheap quality. Yeah, we can fix anything, bro. But the right way, not Mickey Mouse stuff like that. That's why I'm saying in the future, bro, like your cars, when they come like with a problem straight here, you'll see the difference, bro. When I have to redo like Mickey Mouse work like that, it's much harder for me. And no matter how clean I want to get it, like I still can't get it to the way I want. They put literally like 2 inches of body filler Bondo in it, bro. Anytime we're dealing with issues like that, I always let the customer know because I'm not touching that because I don't know what's underneath. I'm not the one who worked on it. It might be a big crack. S-Class quarter panels are made out of aluminum. Most higher end manufacturers use aluminum parts for big structural pieces because it's lighter, stronger. So we're gonna do the best we can to make it look right, but I'm not touching that body filler. Only the parts I need to correct, I'll correct. Usually I would have to take out everything, but anytime a shop is putting 2 inches of body filler on it, is usually because they didn't repair anything at all. So if I take that off, I have to repair everything. And for the price I gave him, I can't do that because quarter panel could possibly need replacement. So be careful where you take your car. So we just got this dropped off. It's a 2017 Rolls-Royce Wraith black badge. Go over the problem. It's nice blue interior. So basically the self-closing mechanism, as you can see right here, is broken. That's basically the stopper also. If you come here on this side, as you can see, there's nothing causing the door to stop because that part is, so it actually put a crease in here. So we're gonna be looking at that. We're gonna get the door panel off, see if we can fix it to get it out of here quick, or if we need to order a new piece. We just work on these cars so much, taking them apart is like, we know it by heart already. So this is the self-closing mechanism. This is actually the motor, and this has basically, we call teeth gears, right? As you're pressing the button, the gear closes the door. This is the hydraulic. So basically how this works is you have the motor, you have the hydraulic, and then you have this piece that screws onto here, right? And then this screws is basically attached, and this goes on the body. So as they open the door, this snapped. Now luckily, like on Cullinan's, this piece, they do not sell separate. Anytime it breaks, you gotta buy the complete assembly. But in this case, they sell this separately as one, just like this, and sell this separately. So we only need this. The price is $500, not that bad. So once we get the price in, we'll charge the customer for the parts, labor, and we'll get the car out of here in one day. Taking apart is always easier than putting back together. But it literally took us like 15 minutes to get the door panel off. We just do it so often with these cars. They're more complex, more complicated. They're put together a different way, and then you have sound dampening. That's why in the higher end cars, you don't really hear sounds from the outside. That's due because of the dampening they use. No, this connects to this. Esi motor na, but this connects to this. Technically, it's one piece, but it's aranzin tsachuman. If I get your part Tuesday morning or early afternoon, same day I'll give you a car. If not, following day. Thank you, brother.
Have a nice day.
You too. I wanna put some hot sauce on my burrito, baby. RR stands for revision repair, not Rolls Royce. Revision repair. When the car comes in crashed, we have to revision it pre-accident and then repair it to post-accident. Laid back in the Maybach. What's up, brother?
Good to see you.
How's it
Beautiful.
going?
Thank
You like it?
thank you. Yeah, it looks great.
Let's go over it real quick. I just want to make sure everything's in tip-top shape before you take it. But start it up.
Okay, thanks,
Just make sure everything's good.
No, it looks amazing. I appreciate you, boss. Thank
I
you
just
so
had it
much.
detailed for you
Thank
too.
you. Thank you.
Your seat calibration, I calibrated it too.
Thank you.
No problem. So you're all good to go. Let's go do the paperwork. We can get you on your way. That's for you, brother.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you again. Appreciate your business.
Foreignauto group, man. Get you right.
And you got my number, right? So if anything, just hit me up. Even if it's at night or stuff, like you need tows for your cars, whatever. All right, brother, thank you. Another happy customer, another good day. Still got one more car to deliver, the Rolls-Royce Ghost. How much I owe you, brother?
65 for each.
65 for you. Thank you, brother. So from now on, like the customer cars, I'll just cut you a check every time. You're getting your baby back, man.
No, man, I'm excited for it.
You like it?
Looks clean already, man. I really looked at it. Look at you can't even tell.
You can't even tell.
You can't even tell. I was gonna go to my office, but I'll probably drive around for a little bit.
It's looking clean though.
Oh, but it's beautiful. You can't even tell. Like nothing ever happened. It's beautiful. I know people have been asking me, "Hey, where's your rolls? Where's your rolls?" They're like, "Did you get rid of it?" I go, "No, not yet," because I told someone I was gonna sell it. I'm gonna put this in front.
Look, just for that one piece that I need for this rate, 1 week.
Yeah.
That's a small piece.
And this one took even longer.
This one, the quarter panel and stuff.
You have a bunch of parts. Nah, but it's beautiful, man. It's super clean.
Yeah, like your exhaust tip, bumper,
Yeah, I saw that.
everything's new.
Yeah, I saw that.
But see, like the
500.
Ferraris and stuff, you can't write it off because they weigh less than 6,000 pounds, unless you can.
So I write off miles. So when
Yeah.
I do it, I write off miles.
No, I
drive a lot.
write off when
You
you
write
write
off the payment. You do the whole
payments.
thing.
Yeah. So in order for you to write off the payments and everything, it has to be over 6,000
Yeah,
pounds.
I did read that.
Here's your key.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you again for trusting us.
We're all day.
And
Okay.
I'll see you soon, bro.
Yeah, definitely.
The car is solid.
Huh?
It's solid. Black, no metallic.
Yeah.
Repaint complete, right?
Yeah, paint complete. He probably got it repaired before. That's why the bumper wasn't sitting right. So it's not the same black color.
No,
That's metallic, and
Look at that. Look on this. It's solid.
let me see the thing.
It's solid.
Oh yeah, it's not metallic. The bumper's metallic.
Yes. Put a sprinkle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I see the pearls.
Exactly.
Mickey Mouse, another Mickey Mouse one. We got this Escalade. We did a minor repair on the bumper. It's been repaired before, painted before. So actually the black color on the car is a solid black, and the bumper is painted metallic black. So it doesn't even match. So we're gonna be matching it to the body panel, so it's the exact same color. All right guys, so that's a wrap for today. We got some cars out of here, got some new ones in, solved some problems. That's a typical day we have here. But I hope you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the page, stay tuned. We always have new situations, new problems coming in and going out. So I want to thank each and every one of you for watching our videos. And like I said, don't forget to hit that notification button. Peace.